Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix the SD card error on Nikon Z30. Okay, so I have an SD card right here, and when I put it into the camera, let's put it in. Make sure, of course, it clicks. Okay, it's there. Now it says this card is not formatted, even though the camera is off. When I turn the camera on, it'll likely tell me something about the camera here as well. Let's try taking a photo. Well, I won't be able because I have the cover on. Yeah, it's not taking a photo. And it may be like different kinds of error. First of all, make sure that the card is sitting well in the camera. So you can remove it. Make sure the pins are clean, they aren't covered with anything. Also make sure that the card is readable, because cards have this physical lock. You can see it shows the direction of it with this arrow, and make sure it's set to unlocked, so closer to the pins. The switch is closer to the pins. Pins need to be facing the lens as you're putting it in. Okay, now it'll likely show me the error, or no, it didn't. Yeah, but it still can take a photo. So you need to go to the menu, right? And you may need to format the memory card. But if you have anything important on the card, remove it, put it into your computer. Try backupping the files. Try saving it on your computer. Then put it back in and format the memory card. In most cases, that helps with everything. So all you need to do is find the setup menu on the left panel, go to the right, and at the very top there's format memory card, and now it's going to format it in the correct format that the camera can read. And now, as you can see, I can just take a photo. So yeah, that is how it works. If it didn't help, try using a different card, and that should help you. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.